Hello everybody, in this particular video I'm going to discuss top secrets from GPAT top rankers. So why they become GPAT top rankers and what is the secret behind it. So everything in this particular video I'm going to discuss. So before going to discuss that thing, I would like to give one beautiful example. I read this example in the one book. So that one example is Eiffel Tower. You can see the Eiffel Tower. This is the very toppest tower in the entire world. So that means, so here the GPAT top ranker, he's also be top ranker. Same like the Eiffel Tower is also be top, right, in the world. So how it became the toppest tower and how it becomes strong. So we need to be understand. If you understand that thing, you can understand why GPAT top ranker get GPAT good rank. So it is, you see that it is the very highest tower in the world and maximum amount of iron used to build this tower, used for building this basement. So that means maximum amount, even we can say lot of tons. So tons of the iron used to build this basement, because the basement is very strong. That is the reason the Eiffel Tower is still strong and is still standing. So that means, see, building another thing, that if you see while building new houses, so for you, if you are building your new houses, we are also use lot of iron and metal to build the basement. That means when you find to build basement, so that if you spend much more time on to build the basement, then only the building or the house or the something will be strong. So what happened means the Eiffel Tower is still strong, means they spend a lot of time on building the basement. So the GPAT top rankers also do the same thing. They spend lot of time on building the basement. That means basics, and at the same time they spend lot of time on GPAT preparation. So why they get a good rank means, so you can see in the preparation or in the building of this Eiffel Tower, they spend lot of time and building the basement. That means they're focused on the much more time on the basement. So in GPAT preparation, GPAT students who are getting top rankers, they also focus on the basics. At the same time, while they're focusing on the basics, at the same time they focus much more on the attention towards dedication in GPAT exam. So they give a lot of dedication and lot of attention, lot of focus. So that is the reason they get a good rank. So that means normally if you see other people who are not qualified GPAT, they are not spend that much more time on the GPAT. So but these people who got a good rank in GPAT, they spend their attention, their focus, their dedication one on the education. If you see this example of Eiffel Tower, they spend much more time and much more of iron, much more of a material to build the strong basement. Same thing. So these people who cracked GPAT with a good rank, they understand that, they know that if they crack GPAT, they get a good feature and good solid base for their career. So that is the reason they also spend much more time on the building the career by cracking GPAT. So if you want to be cracked GPAT, you also need to be do much more dedication, attention and focus to your GPAT exam. So that is the reason they get a very good rank. Eiffel Tower is still strong because of its basement is strong. And if you want to become GPAT top ranker, or if you want to get a very high salary in pharma field, one of the good choice for you is that GPAT exam. So if you spend much more time, so in case of Eiffel Tower, they spend much more time on building the basement. If you also spend much more time on building your career and focus your career and everything by focusing on GPAT, it will help you. So if you also want to get good rank, you also need to be do the same thing of building much more time on the basement or spending much more time on the GPAT exam, because it will give you a good career basement for you. And at the same time, last but not the least, if you are unable to work hard, just leave the GPAT. GPAT is not for you. If you are the student, work hard, GPAT is for you. Thank you. Have a nice